Hey, boys.
You guys want to go on the Brayden, go on the trampoline, dude.
You guys want to jump?
Whoa!
Bring that leaf. Let's go
Brayden,
bounce.
Jeff wants to show you his backflip.
Jeff
We're
knows how
gonna
to
do
do
a
crazy
simultaneous
tricks.
flip.
You know he's a stuntman. Do you know what that means? That means he could do the coolest tricks there ever was. My friends Whitney and Jeff just moved into the neighborhood and they've dropped by with their sons to have a play date with Brayden.
It is so windy today.
I know.
It's
You wanna
crazy.
go sit down?
Yes. Jeff can entertain them.
So nice.
I know.
I'm glad he came. And I know Whitney wants to talk to me about their new home. How's it going?
It's good. Now they're all entertained.
So how's the move?
It's been good. It was like pretty easy. I was scared with the kids, just like, you know, trying to move with both of them, but it was fine. But now that I feel like we're in and we're settled, the bedroom and the bathroom really, it's just like not functional, like how it's set up, everything is wrong. So I was thinking, maybe you could help me and we could do it.
I would love to. Plus you're like literally 2 blocks away, right?
I know, and I feel like it has the potential. That's what I need you for. Like I need like an eye to come in and like rip the whole thing apart and like start over.
I love working with my friends on their homes, and Whitney has an especially amazing sense of style, and she loves to design, so it's gonna be super fun collaborating with her. I would absolutely love to.
So fun.
When do you want to start?
Now.
Okay, cool.
Hi, how are you? Thanks for coming.
Your house is so cool. So
Thank
open.
you.
It's very unique.
Yeah.
Like the counters,
Yeah, they're green.
You like green?
kind of like a snake skin.
A little bit, yeah.
It reminds me of my house a little bit. Like the colors, I have like black, white, teak, and plants.
Yeah, neutrals,
Yes.
calm.
Yep.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I love the ceilings and I love the skylight. What I would love to do is bump out this low ceiling right here, open it up, open this wall up, open this wall up, just make this one big room like it should be, and create another skylight on this side as well to give you more natural light. We will close off these 2 entrances and create one normal entrance with a door so you have some privacy.
Please.
That helps.
You need a double vanity. So I propose that we create a large double vanity on this side of the wall. And I would love to give you an area to do your makeup as well.
Oh, please.
And what I would love to do for you guys is create a wet room. A big shower unit, talking body sprayers, rain heads, and a big unique tub.
I love it.
Absolutely.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh.
Should you be like busting through that, stuntman? I want to
Well,
see you
I
like
gotta-
flying through the wall.
I gotta carve it out and then I gotta go through it. Yeah.
All right, so
Yeah.
what's going on? Have we found anything yet?
No, the only thing I was thinking about is the skylight. It does look a little old. Are we swapping those out?
Yeah.
We have this big
this
tool that
stick.
opens the top, which I
Yeah.
think it's kind of broken, so that maybe needs to be
This-
fixed.
I can get the piece. You want me
I
to get
would
it?
love to see that.
Yep, here's
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know
Here's your fishing rod right here.
Oh
So this goes right here, right?
Yeah.
You crank it,
Really get in there.
and then it
Oh, man.
tilts up.
I don't think it closes all the way, so
It doesn't close all the way. There's
It doesn't?
No, it's like kind of a jar.
I think maybe it'd be a good idea to just go up there and check. 'Cause if it does leak, you would sometimes
So
don't
you're
even
gonna
know.
go up there?
I mean, well,
I know, I'm not going.
do you want
I
a
got
boost?
wrong shoes.
let me grab a ladder and I'll jump up top.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll be
We'll be
here.
here.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Dude, it's worse than I thought. I can put my hand in between the glass panels. In between where the glass meet, it's completely rotted away.
Oh my God.
Why don't you come down?
Okay, all right, I'll be down in a minute.
that
A
doesn't
new
sound
skylight.
good.
That's a big deal.
So, none of that sounded positive.
No, this is the thing. You can repair it. You're probably somewhere in like the $3,500 range. Or we could just put a brand new skylight in. That's probably gonna be somewhere around $4,800.
For the whole new piece.
Yeah. And then at least you get a warranty with it.
I feel like we have to do it.
If we're
right?
gonna do it, we might as well do it now, I guess.
All right.
Day 1, and we already hit you with $5,000. So,
I'm scared for the next couple weeks.
I know. Let's just hope nothing else happens.
Could sell some of your shoes.
No.
No.
Oh, no. No. Oh my gosh, what's going on in here?
Bye-bye bathroom.
This doesn't look good.
You
Well,
obviously
anthill.
had some termites.
Termites?
I
You're
know.
kidding. We did?
That does not look pretty.
Yeah, they just tunneled their way up. That's why there's so
God.
much dirt.
Are they
on all
alive
the
in
wood.
here?
No, there's no live ones.
Thank God. When you
Yeah.
bought it, was there any, what was the termite?
Yeah, results
There was
were
like no
negative.
problem.
Yeah.
It wasn't positive or termites.
I think someone's been treating the ground around your house, maybe before you guys bought it. So there's none that are alive.
So what's the extent of the damage? It looks really bad.
I think we should at least have like $1,000 budget for the framing, because as you can see, we got this wall, we got this wall, we got the other exterior wall, we got this beam.
1,000 just for like
yeah.
wooden beams?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Not really an
Yeah.
option. I mean, look at that.
Oh, wow. I mean, that's like...
That's ugly.
It's
Now-
yeah, it's nasty. And this one is just
Ew, don't touch it.
completely different. What?
What's that?
Please stop.
You just put your finger in and something moved.
That's just
it's just dust.
Nothing?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, don't touch it.
Oh, God, that's all.
Can you-
That's,
Mike,
that's,
can you touch
That doesn't look pretty.
I think you need a hazmat suit on to touch
You're making
that.
me itch.
this is mud. That's not even wood anymore. Look at that. That's just. That's
Okay,
just
I think we should actually get out of here. So when we'll be ready to get all this demoed out so we can come back and design?
give me like a week and a half, and we'll get this all cleared up for you guys.
Okay.
10 days,
Let's get moving.
and we'll get the fun
I know.
stuff going.
Yeah, yeah,
Good.
yeah.
We'll be outside.
We're good. All right, thanks,
You know what? I'm
Mike.
outside too.
Yeah.
I think I'm out.
Whoa.
So good.
Mike,
going on, guys?
What have you done?
Question is, why was it not always like this?
I don't know.
I know.
Like, it's so bright in here, and
This is
like,
nuts. These two skylights just make the whole thing like a hotel.
While it's very exciting, and I'm loving everything that's going on here, I do have some bad news about this tile.
oh no.
You have expensive taste.
How
I told
expensive?
you that.
If we stop the tile right here, so say we do that back wall and this back wall, we're in budget. If we carry the tile all through the shower, like it would be probably an extra $5,000.
Really?
Yes. So it would be either spend the extra money or do something else on the other walls that's less expensive.
Maybe at a Subway or something?
Well, I don't know what you guys think, but I've been seeing these pictures lately, and I don't know how this would look. But what if we did like a concrete, like a stucco?
Okay.
Like smooth?
Yeah, like smooth.
When most people hear the word stucco, they think about that bumpy texture on the outside of a house. But stucco comes in different textures, and smooth stucco is a great option for the shower. It's totally waterproof, and it'll give the walls a natural stone look.
I think it would be
Oh.
similar to this color.
But I feel like
'Cause-
I'd want it a little more white, because I feel like our floors in here, right, aren't they more like this color? Just to like brighten it so it doesn't feel so,
But it won't look real polished. It's gonna be kind of a matty finish.
yeah. I'm okay with
Matt's
that.
cool. I like the mat.
Okay.
All right, we like the mat.
So it'll be like that.
I don't know,
but
I
it's-
think I like this idea.
Okay.
I think that'll look killer. I like that.
Well, that would flow really nicely, and I know
Right?
that's definitely within budget.
Okay,
for
let's
it.
try it. Let's do it.
I think we do it.
Look at us. Work is
Looking
being
good.
done. Work is being done. We're making progress
But
in
I
here.
love them.
Yes, aren't these pretty?
These are pretty
Yes.
cool.
So I am super into crystals,
As we know.
Ooh,
Oh, I love it.
crystal fever.
right? Check that
Oh,
out.
she's gonna
Love
like
it.
that. Oh,
Isn't
yeah,
that so
yeah.
cool?
Yeah, that's nice.
I love it.
That's
Okay,
really nice.
so imagine 3 of these. Boom, boom, boom. Okay.
Love
And
it.
why not?
And the round one, right here.
Right there. They take it out.
Yep.
See what it looks like.
Oh, I
The
love
big
it.
reveal.
So
This guy
same
goes
vibe.
right there.
You got the crystals going.
Yep.
I love
that's
it.
pretty cool. These are pretty sick.
Oh my gosh. This
So
is
much.
gonna be so beautiful.
I love it.
Love it.
That's pretty
So
cool.
pretty.
I like it.
These crystals are gonna give Whitney's bathroom even more of that boho feel. But don't worry, I haven't forgotten about Jeff. I found the perfect wallpaper that's loud and busy and just his style that we're gonna hang in the water closet. Oh my gosh.
I know.
This is literally every girl's dream come true.
It's coming along.
Well, yeah,
said
my
girl.
new closet looks pretty amazing, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh,
I know.
this is bigger than I anticipated.
Me too.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was figuring that we carry in the wood floors from the bedroom into the closet, so I brought some samples.
Okay, I like that.
We have
Okay.
a wide plank white oak and a thin plank European oak.
Ooh. I know what I like.
I know what I like.
Oh.
Okay, go.
White.
Me too. You mean
no.
this
That
one?
one. Looks like a
Yeah.
white with a thin plank.
Yes.
Me
I
too.
like that.
I like the thin. I feel
Yeah.
like it's like different.
Okay,
Thin
yeah.
plank with the
This
white.
one, weirdly,
The European.
this one's actually called European, even though it's whiter.
Okay, yes.
I love
the
this one.
European.
Oh, I love that.
You
I
like
love
it
the
too?
thin board. I love the white. Looks just like our house, the style, right? And that
Totally
room
agree.
with the white, it's gonna look really nice.
It's actually one of the first times I've used like that thin of a plank with that color, but I think it totally represents the style of your guys' house, and it's a beautiful color.
No, you,
I
nailed,
like
you
it.
nailed it.
And
You
you
like the
both
white.
love it, and you're agreed.
And we love it.
And we're gonna order it.
Done.
This is rare.
This is rare.
weird.
You
It
should
doesn't
take it
feel
and
right.
run. I am.
Welcome to your bedroom.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. It's just so, so good.
It looks phenomenal.
Right?
It does.
I'm kind of blown away.
The
This is-
colors are like
This is
Perfect.
insane.
color without being color.
Yes.
They look pretty.
If you didn't have those pops of color, I feel like it would just feel a bit boring. But
For
the
sure.
colors, they're like perfect and they're everything. So over here, this is actually my favorite, I feel like, part of the bedroom. And before it felt like a closet, sort of.
Yeah, it was weird.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
like a useless space.
Totally.
The built-in is
It's like
second
its
to
own,
none.
its own little area now.
And I love the way that it plays off the color of the wood flooring. It looks beautiful.
I love it. I feel like it like totally brightened up the room.
Yes.
But wait, let's talk about this door over here.
You have privacy now.
A door, a bathroom door.
Yes.
There's a door. It's in.
Absolutely beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-huh.
Oh my
It's like
God.
a dream. It's so good.
This is the most like detailed bathroom I've ever done. And actually this I think is the biggest transformation I've ever done because this doesn't even feel like the same space.
No, it was
No.
so bad before.
It was
bad.
so dark.
And now it's so bright.
Right? This countertop though. Like,
countertop's
let's
my
talk about that.
absolute
Like, let's address
favorite.
that.
I know. I think me too.
It
It's
is a dream. And this backsplash I know is expensive, but it looks perfect in
I
here.
love it so much.
It's like subtle but loud.
Yes.
You know?
Totally.
It's a statement.
And I know originally we wanted to do the whole thing and then, you know, budget-wise that didn't happen. But I'm actually kind of glad that happened because
Agreed.
I love that.
It breaks it up real nice.
I feel like almost it would have been too busy if
For sure.
all the
Yeah,
walls were
yeah,
at the
yeah.
top.
Me too.
Way too busy. Look at the
I'm-
tub. Look at the shower.
I
Look
feel
at
like I'm like speechless.
That looks insane.
It feels like a really cool, like swanky hotel.
It does.
Yeah, I don't feel like it's real. Like
Yeah.
it's actually mine.
You know, we tossed around ideas of like colors that I wanted to implement, orange, blue, and yellow. And honestly, what her and Christina picked out and what was brought to the table, like, I'm blown away. And honestly, like, I'm glad no one listened to me. Kudos to them.
Before you had that water closet in the corner, that's what made it feel even smaller in here.
For sure.
But now we have its own private
where's the
area.
toilet?
This wallpaper looks perfect.
Love the
Oh
door.
my gosh.
It's,
the door.
it's like its own little.
Oh wow,
Oh,
fancy.
hello, friend.
Little sensor.
I like how it greets you.
I love this room.
So I know it's not yellow, but what do you think of the wallpaper in the space?
I really like it. No, I like the black and the white. The black's masculine. I'm happy with it.
Good.
Yeah, I sign off on it.